Alright, yung gabi, let's go sa reproductive system, part 1, no? Iyasang session number 22. Okay, let's go. Okay, there are three parts to mas reproductive history, guys. Tadaan, tatlo, gina siya per me. Okay, walin sa una sa subong, tatlo, gina siya sa woman's reproductive history. Okay, ano una? Si menstrual. Okay, next si OB. Next si sexual. Okay? It is usually more comfortable for the patient nurse begins with menstrual. Okay, una kay menstruation. Next kay obstetric, kag si sexual history na sa ulihi. Okay, hindi porket nga gwapang pasyente, unahon naton si sexual. Okay, ma'am, ti adlaw-adlaw. Charot. Okay, mga muna. Okay, so menstrual anay, ano ang last nga menstruation, regular, okay, or irreg, mga muna bla mga questions, ano kalawig, bla bla bla, o obstetric na dahil next. Obstetric is pagbusong, okay, pagbusong or pagbata, OB, okay. Next is sexual na, okay. Usually, the patient nurse begins with a menstrual obstetric saves the sexual history question for last. Okay. However, if the one comes to you relating to the issue, there are five phases of women's reproductive health. Pre-pubes, pubes, childbearing, perimenopausal, and menopausal. Okay. The nurse must incorporate, guys, tandaan ng lima ni ha, Ario, nga. The nurse must incorporate the needs of each phase in the assessment process sa old cart. Balik kita sa old cart. Okay. Menstrual history, menstruation, menopause, pinakauna nga menstruation. Okay? Ako sa una, grade 5 ko, grade 6 ba? Ay, ano na. Okay, menstruation, menopause. Learn to recognize menstrual phone terms below. Menses, guys, read na lang. Balaan yun na ni. Nagyan na ni si menarche, sa menopause, perimenopause. Okay. Amenorrhea, wala sang mens, dysmenorrhea, sakit. Okay, PMS, kilala nyo na ang bi or kamo, PMS kamo, okay, a cluster of emotional behavior and physical symptoms occurring 5 days before menses for 3 consecutive cycles. Okay, uterine bleeding, frequency, duration. Okay, frequency is kung pila ang interval bilang sang adlaw like 32 days, okay, 28 days, mga muna nga mga periods. Ang duration so kung ano siya kadugay, kung 3 days lang imo nga menstruation or pakadto sa 7 days na duration na siya. Okay, questions about menarche menstruation menopause often give the nurse an opportunity to explore the patient's concerns and attitude toward her body. Okay, when talking with an adolescent girl, for example, opening questions might include, how did you first learn about monthly periods? Okay, amo na siya sang gin-question ko, I don't know kung naka-question ko sa class, sang last, pero, um, amo siya na question ko, ti sang san unyo na balaan? Or ano ang, sang san unyo na balaan ang about sa menstruation? Mga muna, ti sang san nag-abot ang inyo? Na, mga muna, usually, yung question ko na. Many girls were even their periods are irregular or come late. Has anything like that bothered you? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Flow can be assessed roughly by the number of pads tampons used daily because women vary in their practices for sanitary measures. However, ask the patient whether she usually soaks a pad or tampons pads it tightly. Further, does she use more than one time? Does she have any bleeding between periods? Any bleeding after intercourse? Up to 50% of women report dysmenorrhea or pain with menses. Normal, malang naguro do tanan man may dysme. Okay? Hmm, primary dysmenorrhea and secondary, okay? Adenomyosis, endometriosis, and the muscular layers of the uterus, pelvic, and PID, polyps. Okay, kung primary dysmenorrhea, guys, ano na siya, ang menstruation, nagadysme siya. Okay, sakit ang menstruation. Ang secondary, guys, may mga problema na may endometriosis, may adenomyosis. Okay, sama na siya. Secondary is may sakit na ang primary menstruation. Okay? PMS, premenstrual syndrome, includes emotional and behavioral. Alam mo na siyang mga ginabatsyag sa mga miga nyo or ginabatsyag sa mga babae. Okay, before, amo na nga ginaabot sila, amo na ginakatok ko, no? Ginakatok sila, ginaabot sila kay may PMS. Okay? Includes emotional behavior symptoms such as depression, angry outbursts, irritability, anxiety, although irritable, gid man na sila. Okay, poor concentration, social withdrawal, etc. Na bloating, ara na weight gain, swelling of hands and feet, general, blah blah blah. Okay? Amenorrhea, mag-aga ni amenorrhea, for absence. Ara na. Absence of periods, failure of periods to initiate called primary amenorrhea, whereas the cessation of periods after they have been established is secondary amenorrhea. Pregnancy, lactation, and menopause are physiologic forms of secondary type. Okay? Pregnancy, lactation, and menopause are physiologic forms of secondary type. Okay. Other causes of secondary amenorrhea, okay, low body weight for many cause. From many, ano na ko, no? Include malnutrition, anorexia nervosa, stress, amo na siya. So, kung stress ka mo, tapos wala pa kaabot inyo, nga nag-secondary amenorrhea, tiyan mo na siya. That's your secondary amenorrhea. Bangon sa stress, anorexia, malnutrition, mga mo na siya. Next, ask about any abnormal bleeding, okay, polymenorrhea, intervals of fewer than 21 days between menses, oligomenorrhea, infrequent, menorrhagia, excessive, metro, intermenstrual bleeding, and postcoital bleeding. Postcoital meaning tapos sex, naga-bleed. Okay. Menopausal guys, edad is 48 to 55 years. Okay, edad is 48 to 55 years. Following a period of fluctuation in pituitary secretion of follicles FSH and LH. Okay, if the patient is perimenopausal with onset, variable cycle length, blah, blah, blah. Menopause, okay, gauntat ang menstruation. Amula na. Women may ask about anesthetic compounds and botanicals related menopause-related symptoms most not have been well studied or proved to be beneficial. Estrogen replacement relieves symptoms but increases risk of thrombosis. Okay. Sa menopause, guys, the early kamo nga nag-menarche, ano ganing menarche, 'di ba? First nga first nga menstruation, early man kamo na mag-menopause. Okay? So anong tsansa mo nga magka ovarian cancer kung nagagana si ovaries? So gaano pang magana si ovaries kung nagaano kay kung naga menstruation ka bala. So kung early ka nagka-mens, early ka man matapos or early ka man menopause. Okay? Kung late ka nagka-mens, late ka man ma-menopause. Okay? Contraception, inquire about methods of conception used by the patient and her partner. Is the patient satisfied with the method chosen? And then blah, blah, blah. Okay, sa contraception, ari na siya sa sexual na naiya. Okay, tapos na to sa menstrual, nag-OB na. Okay, so buong si contraception niya sa sexual na siya. Okay. Vulvovaginal symptoms, most common vaginal symptoms, whether discharge, local itching, kakatol, okay, use the old cart, okay, muna. Guys, gamiton si old cart. Okay, balaan nyo na alin sa una best friend nyo gid si old cart. So, ari iba nga questions. Okay. Sexual preference and sexual response. Review the tips for taking the sexual history below. Okay, using neutral and non-judgmental questions, of course. Hindi ka mo judgmental dapat. Ask about your patient's relationship status if they are living or kage sila live-in. Okay, ask what the relationship is to that person. Follow up using the patient's language. Okay, loss of a partner can sometimes be determined by asking about who they have lived with in the past. Gani. Direct questions about sexual orientation may be difficult to answer, of course. Patients with same-sex partners or who have been in same-sex relationships may be more anxious or fearful during clinical encounters because of past experiences. A reassuring manner will help them express concerns about their sexual health and activity. In short, guys, dapat masiligan ka mo sa ang patient nyo. Okay, ang mga straight to the point or direct question budlay na gawa sabton amo na nga dapat balaan nyo gid kung paano tumukon or you know how to push the right buttons para sa patient nyo nga magpamati kag magsalig siya sa imo. Okay? Sexual dysfunction is classified by the phase of sexual response. Woman may lack desire, she may fail to become aroused and attain adequate vaginal lubrication. Mm, she may be unable to reach orgasm cause may include lack of estrogen, medical illness, or psychiatric conditions. Okay. Dyspareunia, guys. Ano na siya? Pain or discomfort during sex. Okay. During intercourse. If present, try to localize the symptoms. Is it near the outside, occurring at the start of intercourse, or does she feel it further in? Blah, blah, blah. Vaginismus refers to an involuntary spasm of the muscles surrounding the vaginal orifice that makes penetration during intercourse painful or impossible. Okay, vaginismus. Nagaspasm siya or nagatiga. Okay, ang mga siya. Superficial pain, okay. Sakit lang sulod cause of vaginismus gyapon kasi syempre nagaspasm siya gani. Okay, so budlay kag sakit siya sa sex. In addition to ascertaining nature of sexual problem, ask about its onset. Of course, old cart gyapon guys, ara na old cart gyapon. STD, anong STD? Ano? Charot, STD. Anong STD? Gas-gas. STD is, wala ulag STD. Hindi. STD is sexually transmitted diseases. Local symptoms or findings or physical examination may raise the possibility of sexual blah blah blah. After establishing the usual attributes of any symptoms, guys, nahalong kamo sa patient kapin ba may STD nga tuwag ni suspected or magpositive. Halong-halong lang kita sa mga questions naton. Mayara gyud man patient bi nga open sila ya nga doon nabato nila. Pero halong kita sa mga questions naton kay syempre hindi na sila magsalig dayon kay syempre do abi nila do ginakahuya na sila blang. Do nalipat ko sang term pero amo na siya. So we have to be sensitive. Okay. After establishing the usual attributes of symptoms, identify sexual preference, male, female, or both. Okay. Question, gid na dapat. Okay. Kaya base may mga same-sex silang activities. Okay. Inquire both sexual contacts and establish the number of sexual partners prior to the month. Okay. Ask if the patient has concerns about HIV infection. Has been tested for HIV previously, desires HIV testing, or current, etc. Okay.